Here's another stunning design that brings elegance and depth to any exterior or exterior wall. KGALA Textured Finish Coat. Ensure the surface is clean, smooth, primed and flawless. Combine part A, which contains semi-rough sand, with part B. For this design, we used Harvest Time color base. Using a paddle mixer, mix thoroughly until you reach the desired consistency. Apply a layer of texture, spreading it evenly to a thickness of 2 to 3 mm for a flawless finish. Let it sit for 2 to 3 hours. Apply small patches of texture, then smooth it out with a trowel. Allow the texture design to dry completely. Paint your masterpiece with SINCLAIR KGALA Textured Finish Coat.